I'm the so-called fucking prophet, but I can't deliver any fucking court records. I can't deliver any documents to the courts because one, either I don't have them, or two, I don't have them. All right.
Or
Hello.
or he needs time to falsify them.
Yeah, exactly. One of the two, right? Which I think at the end of the day, they don't have records to falsify, right? They don't. There's no records to falsify, which is exactly the issue we're dealing with here with these assholes, right? Is
It's just
there
a
are
bunch
no
of
yeah, it's bullshit. It's bullshit.
it's fucking bullshit, man.
All right, do a quick court case update here today, guys. This case has been pushed up to a chief magistrate, okay? This is worst case scenario for David at this point. One, we're talking more lawyer fees, okay? Two, this case will most likely get pushed back, okay? Because they're going to have to go through another process. Yeah, and David has never mixed filing his taxes. Let's remember that, everybody. Okay, David has never mixed. Well, Valley. Can we just started, buddy? We just started. So what's happening here? Anybody's just tuning in? I got Michael Steven here with me joining the chat today, and what's happening? And he's expressing his fucking frustration too. Is these people have been ordered by the courts to produce documents.
And they can't.
And they can't or they won't. For whatever reason. Right? Now we know by the court systems, Michael, what would happen if this was us?
Oh shit. I mean, if I didn't provide anything within a couple of days, I'd be screwed. Just like you said, Alex. Yeah. If the IRS wanted you, they would come after you if you didn't do something in a timely manner. Like they would be all over your ass. But for some reason, with David E. Taylor, that piece of shit, then different story.
Yeah. Well, and you know what? People could push a civil lawsuit, but it would have to be a lot of money.
Right.
I'm with you.
I don't understand how he's been able, after all these years, to get away with it.
I was gonna, that crossed my mind today, and it's like you're reading my fucking mind. It could happen, a civil lawsuit, but it would have to be all the cult survivors coming together as one to push the lawsuit.
Exactly.
It could be none of us. It would have to be all people directly involved with David, and they would have to push the lawsuit. And you know what? They could probably win this lawsuit. They probably could.
Well, just like Trip 9, he's got that. They owe him money. I think Trip 9. Everybody would have to follow him in order for, or the beginning of that. Everybody have to follow him in order for it to get it going.
Everybody have to follow suit with 999. You're exactly right. He's the leader in that. Yeah. He really is, dude. He took it to Apple Pay, bro. That's not something.
Yeah.
That's not something a lot of people do.
No, not at all.
No, take it to fucking Apple Pay. Yeah, if you want to, Uncle Jake. Yeah, you want to hop on in? This guy. Telling you, this chief magistrate, this guy ain't fucking around. This guy ain't fucking around, man. And he has very strict guidelines. Here's his guidelines. Hey, what's up, DeAndre Franklin? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, brother. I wouldn't get anything out of the lawsuit. I haven't been directly victimized by David. Well, I guess I could. Taxes. I mean, all of us could. We could all technically push a civil suit on David. Yeah. I'm a punk rocker, so David, I don't know. Grab your liquid death today.
Hey, that's a liquid death right there, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're good, dude. Paramahasha, I don't know, man. It might be a little bit hard for me to do it. Civil lawsuit.
Hey, Alex, let me ask you something, brother. I really haven't. I've been online and stuff like that, but you got the posters from Asha, right?
No, dude, I haven't fucking seen. It says they're inbound from customs, dude, and I don't know how long that fucking takes to come inbound from customs, dude. I really don't.
Damn it.
I'm tracking him. I'm tracking him. Michael Parisi, Semper Fi.
Hey, Catherine Crick probably has some kind of fucking hold on him or something. Anyway,
I know, right? Well, you know what? The homie 54 digital over in Australia, he's all, dude, there's people putting these up. He's like, it's worrying the shit out of me. He's all, dude, people are putting these shits up and they're dated in October. He's like, I'm going around tearing them all down. I was like, yeah, you should.
yeah, tear everybody who follows the channel, tear them down. It don't matter where you're at.
Yep.
Tear them down.
I don't call them victims. I call them survivors. Uncle Jake.
Hey.
All right. So me and Uncle Jake were talking about this, and let's go over this, man. Because we were saying there's a lot of things that can happen with this judge.
Well, this all got thrown. The judge sent the judge reviewed it, obviously, and sent the whole case up to the chief magistrate, now the courts. His job is to straighten out discovery issues with cases. So clearly the judge looked at it and said, this is bullshit. There's no discovery given. Sent it up to this guy and said, figure it out. This guy is so strict. He wrote a 9-page document that we're looking at here about how to do it and what he'll accept. On Mondays, you have to request, and every Thursday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., he goes through these cases with lawyers. So basically, the case just got thrown back to last July. We're at discovery again because there's going to be discovery arguments made on why stuff wasn't produced. That was court ordered. And they're going to have to go through each one.
Again.
Hey, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
This will be with the guy that figures out what happens in the end. If you say, well, that doesn't exist and legally it should, he's going to get the appropriate people to make it exist. So if they say, well, we don't have tax documents, and they should have 990s and 990Ts, I could very well see him contacting the IRS and say, hey, we need to straighten this out because my case is held up.
But at the same time, Jake, they've had more than 3 months to do that.
Oh, they've had over a year. There's nothing new known about these. But that's why I'm saying
plenty of time.
Correct. That's why it's in this.
Param, hey, real quick, dude. Param, these guys are survivors. Stop calling them fucking victims, all right? The people that are out are survivors. The ones that are still there are being victimized. The ones that are out are survivors, right? Stop calling them fucking victims. And it is, dude, it's hard to do a civil lawsuit like this, dude. These people don't have that kind of fucking money, dude. You know what it's hard, dude. Trust me. It's harder than
it's very, very hard.
Civil lawsuit, and especially one that's going to take it pro per. Yeah. Okay. No, it's hard, dude. At that kind of money.
The average civil lawsuit that's in the federal case system takes 24 months to resolve. This case is only about 18 months old.
Mm-hmm. It'll get resolved.
Well, this guy is going to either fix, his job is to fix the issue with discovery.
Yeah. Which they haven't done. That's what this is all over. They just doubled their money with lawyers.
Yeah, because this guy isn't going to take the lawyer's excuse and continuances saying, oh, you know, I'm one person. He's going to say, hire someone, baby. Mm-hmm. You know, you got to hire someone then.
This judge is put up or shut up, basically.
Yeah, his job is to fix discovery.
Which is good. I mean, you need a judge like that to handle business.
Well, yeah, business is going to get handled now.
I guarantee they won't take the case, bro. Okay, well, if you're so concerned about it, why don't you go ahead and do it, okay? You take the initiative and you do it, okay? Since you know so much about it, go ahead and you initiate the civil suit and you put all that stuff together, okay? If it's not that hard, go ahead and take care of it. Okay.
And if you do it yourself, get a good lawyer, because if you lose, you're paying both sides legals.
Yep.
Yeah.
If you know so much about it, please go ahead and you take the initiative and you go ahead and do it. Okay. I have my plate full with school and shit. I said I'd come out and do lives on updates and shit, but dude, I have too much on my fucking plate to be worrying about civil lawsuits and shit like that. David's in one right now. Why do we need to fucking worry about the survivors? If they want, they know what to do. They know where to go.
Yeah.
They
Exactly.
could file a class action.
They could file class action themselves. They absolutely could. But I don't want to get involved in that. Okay. Dude, David, we know we're fighting the criminal part on David. It's up to the survivors at this point to take that step, which they could. Most of these survivors probably could push a class action lawsuit on this asshole. Tell any survivors out there, listen to this guy. You guys probably could put a class action on him.
Hey, Alex.
The thing with the case rate. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry.
You know what's crazy, man? Like, in over the past 2 months, we've seen Michelle disappear and pull that bullshit that she was sick and she left. She got out that colt via ambulance and a fake name, like you said.
Yep.
Why isn't anybody following her, or why isn't she guiding anybody else to get out of the cult to do the same thing? And that's what's sad, man. I hate that shit. I hate it.
Some people think Michelle's right or die, and I'm on the fence about it. I'm on the fence that Michelle got the fuck out and was like, I'm done. But I'm also on the fence about her being right or die. Like, she'll fucking go back and bow down to David and let him fucking walk all over her again without even thinking.
Yeah, that's a different conversation.
I mean, the secrecy around that place.
Yeah, it's shit, dude.
The thing today, though, is about this case that's in front of us, and the fact that the judge threw it into the chief magistrate's lap and said, "Figure out discovery." That's where we're at. If these documents is it enough to take it forward is what she's asking. So he's going to be reviewing all this.
Yep.
Now, I don't know when Movie Props lawyers got it, if they filed on yesterday being Monday, because this technically came out yesterday, even though it didn't get released till today.
It was filed
yesterday.
Yep. That was today. That was today.
Well, that's when it got posted. It got filed on the 13th.
Yeah, it was entered today. I'm sorry. Okay, there's the date. It was entered 11/14. Here's
So
the end.
it's very possible that the lawyers from Movie Prop are going to show up on Thursday.
Yeah, and look,
they have been on the ball in all this.
Yeah, they have. Movie Props have been on this, and check this out. When you're dealing with corporations like this, like look at this, Carnival Corporation, Tesla. David's playing with some big hitters here, man. Carnival Corporation.
Yeah, looking at this guy's
hold on a second. Hold on.
Okay.
Drop it. Paramsha, just drop it right now, okay? Please just drop it, dude. Just drop it. I'm not going to give you fucking survivors' contact info. No. There's no way. There's not enough survivors right now to put together this type of lawsuit that you're wanting, okay? There's just not enough. Let me
ask
just
them to DM you. If they want to do it with you, ask them to DM.
Yep. There's just not enough, okay? Yeah, and you're not getting their info. That's for goddamn sure. If anybody's trying to get in touch with your survivors, you need to go through me. I'm just gonna let you know. I've had people say, "How do I get in touch with Cliff?" I'm screening the fucking callers. Okay. Hate to tell you guys, but that's what Cliff asked me to do. Vet the callers.
And that's the way it should be. Hey Alex, I'm sorry. I cut out for a minute, but I just got back on the Wi-Fi, so I'm good.
Now you're good, bro. Yeah.
I thought you were mad at me.
Yeah, I know. Just let it go. Just let it go, dude. There's not enough survivors. Okay. Telling you, and I'm telling you right now, a class action lawsuit lawyer isn't going to want to go after a church. I promise you.
Yeah, that lawyer's going to ask you for $50K up front.
Yeah, give me $50K up front.
Yeah, 50K up front, definitely.
Yeah, And I'm
Yeah,
not,
I
I'm not
agree.
laying
I
that
agree
out for
with
dead.
Jake.
So if you could pull up that kind of if that cash right away, I'm sure we'd be all ears. But like I said, dude, it's not feasible. So I would just drop it at this point, and I would just honestly really dig it if you would just fucking let it go at this point and don't bring it up in the chat again, okay? Because this is a subscribers only chat, and I don't want to kick my fucking subscribers, but just drop it, dude. Trust me, we've talked about a class action lawsuit. It's a lot of work, and it takes a lot of courts, a lot of money. I don't need to see.
Look at this one. This is 18
I'm
months
live right
in.
now.
This one's 18 months in, and we're back to discovery.
Yeah, because they didn't want to just provide discovery.
Right.
You see how the courts work, Paramsha? That's what I'm saying.
Well, see, this is where it gets interesting because throughout
And
the
this is the-
depositions,
this is even
which
a
could
class-
happen again.
Yeah.
There could be more depositions ordered. The JMMI's position, or KOGGC, or David E. whoever, their position's always been, well, we've given you everything that exists.
Yeah.
And so this guy's going to say, okay, so you don't have any documents for ever filing taxes.
Yeah.
Well, let's find out what's going on with that.
Yeah. And that's the thing. That was something that was also asked for in this case, tax document. Hey, do you have these tax
Exactly.
documents?
Well,
all they were
already asked for, court ordered.
Yeah, they were court ordered. And I don't even think they were just, hey, we need the documents showing that you applied for the application, and there were tax documents there. And they're saying, oh, I think we provided what we had. Oh, yeah. Okay. Valley Ken, that's a good question. Thank you. These are the cases that are going to this chief magistrate. Yeah, look, if you got a pacer, look, there's a case right there. Bam. This is the document, dude. Right there, bam. Hey, what up?
Right there.
Pacer's not cheap either.
No.
I pay 15 cents a page for this stuff.
Yeah. So, this is it right here. But the judge magistrate in this case. All right, somebody's shit's going off.
That's not me. My phone doesn't do shit.
Okay, Judge Torres right here. This guy?
Yeah.
This
He's
guy's
been
a
on the bench about 20 years too.
Yeah, he ain't no fucking slouch.
No, all the magistrates, quote, work for him.
Yeah.
And now he's working for Judge Bloom to get this matter straight.
Look, and he's chief magistrate. He's not just magistrate, y'all. He's chief magistrate. Okay. Like, you couldn't have fucked with anybody worse at this point, David. He really could.
Yeah, I don't know how he can get away with this one.
Yeah, he
ain't not provide. I mean, the magistrate's going to say, okay, let me go look for it then.
Yeah. And that's why we were talking about, man, how could the judge actually let this go to court? And somebody said, hey, what if the judge is just giving him the fucking rope, right?
That's what I was thinking.
That's exactly what she did. She gave him the rope, right? She's like, okay, here you go. Here's the rope. She's like, nope, guess what? Hey, Cali Rios, good to see you. Long time no see. How you doing? Good to see you, Cali Rios. Oh, dude. And Chuck Wood, fuck, man. Magistrate, chief judge. Look, it's saying order reassigning cases. And they didn't just assign a case. You guys, they assigned cases, right? This judge, it's what this judge specializes in, is basically kicking ass.
Yeah, if you go to his page on the South Florida Judicial District, he has a 9-page document he filed with the court saying how he does business. Okay.
No, I have it right here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is his rules for the court.
Yep.
It's cut and clear. Hey, when you come to my court, this is the way it is. This is how it's ran, and this is the way it's going to be done.
Yep. He doesn't look like he plays.
No, this judge ain't fucking around, man.
He tells you exactly when to file, where to be, and at what time.
Yep. When, where, why, and how. And this is.
Yep.
It's telling. Here's vague, overly broad, and unduly burdensome. Irrelevant or not reasonably calculated to lead to admissible evidence.
Yeah, he's going to look over all the previous court orders for that stuff. So he'll look it all over.
Yeah, he's going to relook at everything. He's going to look at this under a microscope. He's going to do this. He's going to do what the other judge didn't have time to do, basically.
Yeah.
Scope of operations, scope of objections.
Unless, now I'll say this in defense of the other magistrate, because I don't know. It could be their policy to allow it to go through this process here.
Yeah. Before it gets to chief magistrate, right? They letting it run through the court like it's supposed to.
Let it run through the court and then give it to the chief magistrate if there's an issue in the end.
Yep,
and he straightens it out. That could be their policies. Because why else would he file something like this with the court years ago?
Yep, that makes sense, Uncle Jake. For the judge to let it run through the system, okay, we've let it run through our end. We pushed it to the magistrate. They couldn't figure it out. Kick back to the judge. Still couldn't figure it out. Well, guess what? We're going to go and kick it up to chief magistrate now.
Yep.
Okay, that makes way more sense to me then now. Yep. Says on the objections, hey, if you have objections, counsel shall include in the answer a clear statement of the objections. Based upon privilege, objections to scope 30 BC 6 of notices for depositions. And again, the depositions in this case, guys, were forced. They had to give these depositions without proper discovery. Gotta remember that.
Now, the law kind of allows that. That's a gray area. But it's a good argument for movie prop.
Yeah, absolutely 100%, because this is about money, right? And David and the Colt hasn't been able to provide any documents about money, right?
Right. Yeah, they haven't provided documents about anything.
Yeah. I'm just crossing fingers that the judge just goes straight for the neck and goes for all the fucking financial records, tax documents, tax records, the works.
I mean,
no telling.
Yeah, it's no telling. But he has authority to do quite a bit.
Yeah, this judge can bend David over backwards and fucking slam him 5 fucking times.
He could have the FBI show up and take everything electronic.
Hey, Alex, I have a question, man. I just got back on.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Are they able to? Is this judge able to use any of the deposition footage or information?
No.
Okay,
His position is now they may bring up an argument in front of him about the lies during the deposition.
Yeah.
Because we're back to discovery now.
Right. And there were plenty of lies, which everybody knows were done during the deposition.
What he's thinking about, Uncle Jake, is bringing up the old deposition, right?
Oh, no, I doubt that because it's not entered as evidence.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No,
that makes sense.
Yeah, but the new one, right? Joseph was deposed recently. He lied under oath.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
He lied under oath.
Well, he said one thing in one part of the deposition, another thing in another. So, yeah, he not even just lying about evidence. He just lied.
Straight up.
Yeah, we don't know if there's a new deadline yet, real Ken. There most likely will be after the beginning of the year, most likely. Unless
there are no new deadlines or anything written yet.
Not yet.
It'll come from this guy though once, because I'm sure Movie Prop will be at his office at 10 a.m. on Thursday.
Yeah.
And we'll see where that goes.
Yeah. They're gonna
and Uncle Jake, you get the notifications, like you said a couple weeks back. You get the notifications right away, right?
Yeah. Within 6 minutes of it actually being filed electronically online. I get it. Why there's a 6 minute delay, I have no idea.
Yeah.
That's how I got this today.
That's great right there.
Well, the thing is, the reason why people are asking why there's so many of these high-end people on here is because that's the kind of court this is, man.
There's issues with discovery.
Yeah. Hey, Sharon, how you doing?
All these cases are.
These are all discovery cases. These are all people who have basically told the court to fuck off. We're not doing your discovery. More or less. And this judge is going to come in and set the record straight and be like, yeah, you're going to fucking give us the records. Look, Gucci America. Look at this.
Yeah, what are you suing Gucci over? Because your belt wasn't lasting?
I know. Dad.
David's belt popped and it injured someone.
Yes, correct, Kenneth. Yes, the judge magistrate. That's what it says right down here at the very bottom. Look at this. Look, it basically says
a magistrate judge works for the judge. So Judge Bloom, it's her court. The magistrate judges work for her.
Yep.
So she had a magistrate judge through all this whose job was to collect discovery and everything.
Yep.
Got in the judge's hands. Obviously, the judge isn't pleased about what she has in her hands. And she reassigned the case to this magistrate whose job is straighten out discovery.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this judge ain't no fucking slouch, man.
He's been on the bench 20 years, too.
Yeah, this judge is going to spit these cases out like nobody's business, man.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. Celebrity cruises. Like, these are high-end people, like high-end.
Barclays Bank.
Yeah. Like, look,
United Fire Insurance. I sued an insurance company once.
There's no, there's a trial. We don't know if there's a trial, Michael Parisi, but yeah, this thing may start moving a little bit quicker now. Yep. And we could possibly start seeing some criminal charges against the cult. Possibly. Okay.
Well, I mean, this could go in a million different ways, but I imagine if the FBI showed up and said, we want it all.
Yep, they can.
They show up at every location and take everything written on paper.
Yep. And if they did, what would happen to the members of the cult on the spot? Would they be questioned?
Charles.
Would they be questioned or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone would be questioned.
Yeah. The judge could ultimately order that. In this case?
Well, outside of this case, if the FBI
right,
everyone inside that's an adult would be questioned.
Yes, because they are affiliated with the criminal organization that's going in.
Yeah.
Yes. And David does this where everyone knows a little piece, a piece. So no one's getting the whole picture.
Yeah.
And he does that on purpose.
Yep. Exactly. It's like H.H. Holmes building his Castle of Horrors, man. Every time a contractor built a party, he'd fire him. That way nobody knew the direct layout of his fucking murder castle.
Yep.
Same thing. David's keeping all the locks and keys split up. And if David's trying to say this case doesn't exist, well, cult members, look right there. There it is. There's the case. Movie Prop Rentals, LLC versus Kingdom of God Global Church. Yep. They need to shut his ass down. He needs to go to jail. And I'm with you, Ken. They need to shut him down and he needs to go to jail. Yep. Absolutely right. This is where it's going, though, guys. Chief Magistrate now has it. And this Chief Magistrate isn't a slouch. He's not going to put up with any shit.
Anyone have any questions before I log off?
Where we're at with it. Mahesh. Mahesh is a different story, man. Mahesh is a way different story. The thing with Mahesh, you guys. The thing with Mahesh. And I'm gonna start closing it up here too. The thing with Mahesh. Again, you guys, we were trying to figure out where all the money was coming from. I'm just saying, man, it was stupid for Mahesh to show up. It really was. For Mahesh to show up to the audit. Again, I was thinking over this the other day too, just last couple of days, really thinking over this stuff. I'm like, God damn, had Mahesh never shown up, we probably never would have known there was that other player involved in this fucking operation, right? In this prostitution ring. Had Mahesh not shown up, we would have never known. We would have never known. Most likely. That's the way I'm taking it. Mahesh showing up. Now we're busy, Callie. David's in a lot of trouble. He's in deep shit. Callie, hey, you remember how we're trying to figure out where all the money comes from? Well, it's illegal shit. Like, he's running a prostitution operation out of the hotel. Just this one right now. Yeah, Larissa. He's just involved in this one. This is Jason Bechthel's sister right here. But just this one right now, Larissa. Yeah. Just this one. Just this one. And what's happened now, Larissa, is it's actually been kicked up to the chief magistrate because they haven't provided documents to the court. Like, they basically told the courts to fuck off. Such a bad situation. We're trying to get him out of there. I'm dead serious. Callie Rios got some solid sources. Yep, that they're running a prostitution operation out of that hotel. That's the thing. Him coming out, he should have just let us fucking ramble on and leave, but no. He had to dock the Mahesh Express and shows he's involved. Exactly. He docked him, dude. He docked him and showed. That's exactly. He showed he was involved. That's exactly what Mahesh Express did. Mahesh Express showed up before the fucking police did. What does that tell you? Not that we know of. We've only found one Lotus Patch Inn, my friend, right? Would you like to go to the Lotus Patch Inn? We can go to the Lotus Patch Inn, my friend, okay? You can get crabs and cockroaches there at the same time. 2 for 1, my friend, right? Right. But no, we do know Mahesh is tied to some other hotels in Houston, though. And it's Mahesh, from what I understand, he's been looked at before, man. Yep. Yeah, dude, there's some body language. Go back. Hey, real Ken, go back and watch Mahesh Express and the interaction with his phone with the cop. Mahesh Express didn't want that cop having his phone in his hand at all, bro. No. Mahesh was really nervous when that cop had his phone, brother. Mahesh Express is like, hey, I need my phone back. You might see some shit on there I don't want you to see. Just saying. You're right, dude. Yo, Trip 9, what up?
I just got here, so what's the update?
Okay, so
Say hi to your mom for me.
sorry.
What? Say hi to your mom for me. Oh.
It's a cut I just got off from Back to the Future. Remember the part where Biff wrecks his car and he goes in, he's like, oh, get over here and all you got here for his light beer. He's walking out, looks at Marty McFly's all, well, what are you looking at, butthead? Then he leaves all, say hi to your mom for me. Discovery. Bruce Williams. Discovery is the process where they go through to find the documentation about the case. That's it. They're just, all they need to do, they need the documentation to show financial stability, shit like that. But that's the thing.
So now the judge is taking the case higher?
Yes, exactly.
This is the best case scenario for us.
No, dude, you're right. It's what the homie says. I'll do. It's the best case scenario. Yeah. It's both sides where they provide the documentation, right?
Yeah. Oh, I have a good feeling about this.
No, you're right. This is worst case scenario because this is where this chief magistrate, I was thinking of it like Judge Dredd. Like, dude, this guy's chief, like judge, jury, and executioner all at the same time. This judge, this magistrate, like Jake was saying, yep. Movie prop provided everything day one. And you know what fucking asswipe hasn't done? Guess what, Trip 9? Nothing. Provided nothing.
Maybe an empty box of Krispy Kreme donuts, but other than that, nothing.
A pair of fucking underwear that you could probably stand up on end, like Asha Kumar was saying, or was it Curly Girl saying that one day? So I bet his underwear is so fucking crispy, like you just set those things up and they'll stand up on end. I know. I was like, So yeah, getting kicked up getting kicked up a notch. And this is to the point where they're going to either have to fucking put up or shut up, dude. Honestly. Straight up.
Do you think David is going to try to run away from this?
He's still named in the initial lawsuit, so he can't. He's in charge, bro. He's the initial lawsuit says he's in charge. David E. Taylor is the CEO and representative and makes all the fucking shots. So yeah, Larissa, David's in trouble again. Larissa, I'd love to talk with you offline. I really would. I really would. Please get with me. Yeah, more lawyers, more money, right? Now he's going to have to go through discovery again, probably get deposed again. Guess what? That costs more money for the lawyers because you need a lawyer there when you're deposed. Now the lawyer's going to have to go through more filings. David, Joseph, it doesn't pay to lie to your lawyers, okay? You don't pay your lawyer 40 grand and then fucking lie to him and set him up.
I'd love to get my hands on those papers in the future. You know, like I bet David's going to try to stonewall this again, but I don't think it's going to work.
Nah, not this time. Nah. He is absolutely forced to deal with this. Yep. This is forcing his hand. That's what's going on. His hand is being forced right now. And the judge, the thing is with this, the judge is pretty cut and clear of how he expects his court to be operated. That's it. No questions. No comments. No concerns. Guess what? Hey. Discovery calendar every Thursday from 10 to 3. They have to use the discovery calendar process. They can't go outside of those hours. Right? Use the calendar process. This judge has laid out some very... Who is Mahesh? Stand by. Larissa, let me show you. Let me show you who Mahesh Express is, okay? Mahesh Express.
The Lotus Hotel man.
Lotus Batch Hotel, my friend. The magistrate is good. What the magistrate's going to do, Michael Parisi, is going to force the discovery on him. He's going to force the documents. Basically, hey, you guys fucking better produce this, or the judge could turn this into a criminal case real fucking fast. The judge has that power. Really does.
And the FBI is going to start knocking down on David's.
Yeah, it could happen at this point. You're right. No, you're right, dude. At this point, it could start happening because now we have documents being asked for by a federal court.
I'm baffled by how David is able to get away with this for so long, but I'm just glad like the wheels will start popping out and now his vehicle is scraping the concrete.
Yep. All right, Larissa. All right. Okay. This is Mahesh. Okay. This is Mahesh. Mahesh Patel. I guarantee if the FBI enters that hotel, they're going to see some things. And I don't know why the FBI hasn't fucking entered the hotel.
Me neither.
Right, Larissa? If this was me or you, the taxpayer, we'd be fucked. We'd be fucked, man. They'd come take our house, our kids, our clothes, our dogs. They'd fucking take everything from us and be like, have a nice life. Oh, yeah, by the way, you got to pay us back, too. Good luck finding a job because you won't be able to fucking find one. Yo, Marlon Jones, what up? Okay. Mahesh Express, Larissa. Mahesh Express. The reason Deansy quote, Deansy was the one who dubbed him. Okay. Because Mahesh Express showed up before the cops did. Okay. Now, Larissa, this is important. Mahesh Express, listen up. Mahesh Express owns a pay-by-the-hour hotel in Houston, in some ghetto-ass part of Houston by the hotel, or by the airport, I'm sorry, over off Telephone Road. Okay? Telephone Road isn't the greatest area of Houston. It's where you go to pick up drugs and hookers, basically. Okay? Yep. This is Mahesh right here. Hey, killer tomato. that gonna kill a tomato? But
We checked already.
We checked the city line.
We did research before coming here. We did our homework.
Right, if this is your property, we'll get off. But anything beyond your property, we'll put that sign back up. You can't stop it.
Officer,
On the city line.
we
bro,
did
checked
research
those
before.
shit. No, you touch it. No, to the property outside there, okay? If we have to go, yeah, we have to. You can't touch it. No, you can't. It's not your property. Past city ordinance, dude. No, you.
We checked already. We checked.
what I was telling him right here was basically like, hey, if it's your property, we'll leave. But anything past that, we're putting our fucking sign back up and there's not shit you can do about it. He's like, yeah, I can. I was like, no, the fuck you can't, dude. Not a fucking thing you can do. They removed our signs eventually. But he was, I'm sure this fucking hotel, I'm sure this brothel right now is smelling like a fucking bag of rancid maxi pads. Larissa, text this
I don't
number, okay?
care about that.
Larissa, that number is a Google Voice number. You can text me there and I'll give you my actual phone number, okay? Just let me know it's you, okay? And I'll text you my real number. Yep. Exactly. You saw that. You see him? He didn't want the officer holding his phone, bro. You saw that. That's something else somebody pointed out too. Is that Mahesh Express, he didn't want that cop having his phone for too long. I noticed that. Yep. He didn't want Mr. Officer here having his phone.
I wonder what contacts he has with, his contacts, the pictures, his emails.
I can only imagine. Well, you know what? It was our first time hearing the name too when he came on our scene. That's the thing. Larissa, we were trying to figure out where the money's coming from and how this organization is able to maintain, and it's prostitution. Yeah, look at him. The body language right here, this body language, he's nervous as fuck. You goddamn right. Mahesh Express showed up before us, and that's what raised our red flag. Mahesh, you should have just stayed off the fucking audit, dude. I'm telling you. Yep. I'm sure he does too. In a notes app and not in his contacts app. Yep. Yeah, when you're doing illegal shit, I'm sure he's probably got some fucking messaging shits on there. Everything. It's Larissa. I know you haven't been on in a bit, but this last audit, it opened up a huge. You ever seen the Garbage Pail Kids? It's like, remember how they say Pandora's box? It's like you didn't want to open this box and this dumb fuck opened it. Well, David opened it, actually. David opened it by calling the cops, or the cult did, because the cult called the cops. And Mahesh was done by showing up before the fucking cops did. What was even worse is the cops showed up when Mahesh was there. And I actually told Mahesh when he got there, like, call the fucking cops. But what Mahesh didn't know is that we had actually placed a call a week prior letting them know we would be there. Unarmed, peacefully protesting. Yeah.
Smart move.
Mahesh Express showed up. Nervous as a motherfucker. Like, you guys need to get off my property. But here at the same time, right, when you see... Okay, Mahesh apparently says he has nothing to do with the cult, right? Which I find as a fucking huge fucking lie. Okay? He says he doesn't know the cult, right? And he does $1 million. I'll bet $1 million that Mahesh is doing business with the cult. And let me show you how. Okay, Mahesh didn't know these people, right? I'm always pointing back to this, man. I'm always gonna fucking point at this. Mahesh didn't know these people, right? Well, I don't have anything to do with them. I don't know anything about those guys. Okay, I don't know anything. Oh, it's in the cult. No, I'm not in a cult, but I don't know anything about those guys. Hey, but hey, you guys can go ahead and ride your quads all over my fucking front lawn. Okay, no problem. Larissa Bechtel, I'm glad you're thinking like that, because you know what? I've had people come in and say David's being protected, but what I'm starting to think now, it's not David being protected. It's people in our corrupt ass fucking government that probably have been caught at this place. That's what I think. That's why I think it hasn't been shut down yet. Because people have been seen. And in our political environment, if somebody was seen going into this place, what if David's blackmailing these people?
Yeah, he could be. He could possibly be like corrupting and blackmailing, governors or
Governors?
city mayors, or who knows, even people who could possibly be close to the White House. We will never know until it's uncovered.
Exactly. We will never know. But what I'm thinking now, Michelle got the fuck out. She's out. She bailed. Michelle's gone, Larissa. Larissa, Michelle's no longer around at the hotel. I think she bailed out. She took an ambulance out on the 16th of October. Okay. But yeah, so Mahesh, apparently, StreamYard, because StreamYard sucks. We're doing a federal lawsuit update right now. So David, if you're here with us, let me go ahead and pull this back up, okay? This is the discovery procedure that's going to take place, okay? For David when he goes to court. Anybody that's just joining got pushed up to chief magistrate. Chief magistrate is going to iron out the discovery problems for David, okay? Because David's pretty much fucking told the government to fuck off with this court case. So judge said, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and push it up to chief magistrate now. And Uncle Jake brought up a good point earlier. I didn't think this would make it that far, but the judge just gave David all the rope. Then when she...
I think
Go ahead.
I think the judge was baiting David. She wanted to see what David had to bring on the table, and he didn't do anything. So she made the final decision. It was a wise one.
Yeah. Larissa Bechtel, they showed up because we were there. They showed up because first of the initial audit that we did, right? They said, if you come back, we're going to trespass you. Yeah. They called the cops on us, Larissa, but what it did, it see this guy? It brought him into our play. It put this guy in play with us. Mahesh? Yeah, they called the cops on us. Yep, they called the cops on us because they didn't want us there. Well, both of them. Mahesh and the cult didn't want us there because it's bad for business. They're running a prostitution ring. Mahesh, this guy right here, he's involved. Mahesh Express is involved. Okay. This explains the court on 31 October 2023. But yeah, Larissa, we had already called the police. I had already made a call to Harris County and told them, hey, we're going to be there doing a audit on this cult hotel. I know you guys are probably going to get called, but just don't come shooting us. I was like, we'll be peaceful. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Shit, which is why I don't think they've been busted yet. Yes, Michelle made the connection with Mahesh. Not David with Mahesh, it was Michelle. And Michelle, I know more than I put out here on the channel. So just so you know, I know that you made the contact with Mahesh, okay? So, Michelle, I know why you're leaving. Michelle, you know. But still, I'm like 50-50 on the fence about it with some of you guys, man. It's either Michelle goes down with the ship or she got the fuck out. I know she ain't back yet. Yeah, sometimes you have to refresh it because fucking StreamYard's a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. Fucking StreamYard's fucking whack, dude. So yeah, man, that's where David's at. Yeah, StreamYard shit. That's why. I'm probably gonna start using StreamYard, man, as much as I don't want to. I'm probably gonna need to just because it's shit. It really is. StreamYard used to be cool before Super Bowl, and then it took a shit. Ted Cruz, what's he say here? I'm on the fence about it. I'm on the fence. She either could have been really sick, right? Which is a possibility, or she could have got out. That's That's where it's at. But yeah, Larissa, it's yeah, I don't say everything on the channel. But I'm glad you're here with us, Larissa. And as far as I know, your brother is still there. And you know what? Since we're here, let me take a peek here. Give me a second here. No. I wanted to try and get a head count of how many people are at the cult. Give me a second. I need to find that picture where they're all fucking sitting in front. There it is. Okay. This is a better one, I think. Okay, give me a sec. I'm going to do a head count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Oh, man, there's at least 50 people here for sure. Yep, at least.
And how many of them are women?
A good portion of them. Out of, it's probably 2/3 women, probably 75% women, 80% women. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's more women than guys, it looks like.
I figured.
Yeah. So there's about 50 or 60 people at the hotel. That's just the 50 that I can see right here. Man, what a mess you've done, David. You asshole. Yeah. 67 rooms. Yeah, that's I'm on the fence about it, dude, because I know she had some health problems, man. I do. Oh, you know what? Some of those people in here watching were the cult members. They bailed out. They left. Those 36 people in there, those were the cult members. They're like, oh, we got to go now. Yeah, how's food getting in? Right? If there is food there, it's not good food. It's going to be shit food. They're eating the food quicker than they could probably buy it. Man. David, man.
I just hope it doesn't get worse for them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. David's already putting enough pressure as it is on them to scam, but if the abuse gets worse, then we might need to do something.
Yeah.
You know?
Like Valican says, it's not the hotel that traps them, it's their minds. So cult members, you gotta fight your own mind. You gotta fight your own mind, man. Fight it. Fight against it. We know you're in there questioning it, and it's okay to question it. You should be questioning David. Yeah, the cult was in the house. Yeah, those 36 people, they dropped off real quick. That was the cult. Oh yeah, they've been on damage control, man. This is going to be full-blown damage control at this point, especially knowing that they have to go before a magistrate judge. Shit, dude.
Yeah, there's nothing they can do.
No, that was
everything.
Yeah, we saw what they eat. Fucking cold and rubbery lobster, man. No, they won't need a SWAT team with this place, Sharonda. No, not with this place. They're non-violent. They won't need a SWAT team. No. They won't need a SWAT team. Yep, but they've been lied to for us. They've been conditioned to think that we're all the enemies, right? I know. Bruce Williams is like, yo, Michelle's out. She's going to Argentina, man. Right? Shocked that he hasn't made an appearance, right? To do damage control. He won't come out and do damage control because it's too much.
He's not going to be able to handle the stress. That's why he's not coming out.
Me and Jake think this is Michelle right here behind Mahesh Express. But yeah, Larissa, that's who Mahesh is right there. That's Mahesh Express. Yeah, it's like, why don't you keep legal financial documents? Right? That's where I'm at. If they can't produce documents, he's going to want to know why. or an argument made as why they don't keep legal documents. Yeah, we're the persecutors, everybody. Yeah, that's Michelle. That's what I'm saying. It's Michelle. Watch. Boop. Watch the phone come up. Yeah. Yeah, especially tax documents, right? It's like, dude, you don't keep tax documents in the course of regular work? Like, how can you not do that? I mean, honestly, David, you don't keep tax documents, right? That's got to be the dumbest thing ever. Yeah, we're live, Chris. Yeah, we're live. Yeah. We're live, brother. Yeah, we're live, brother. You want to jump on? Yeah, we're live, bro. There was an update, and the case is getting kicked up to chief magistrate for discovery, Chris.
It's over for David.
I know she did. That's a good point. I know Michelle don't want to be the next Ava Brown. She boogied, man. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it got kicked up to magistrate, man. Chief magistrate. Oh, my Catherine Craig channel's picking up steam, man. Whoo, that's gonna be fun. Neither did Epstein. Epstein got fucking murked. Yeah. That fool got murked.
If David's going to be in federal court, is there a way we can watch that live? That's what
I don't know. Look, Michelle just had to keep her fucking phone up. Look at her.
That's Michelle?
Yeah, me and Jake think it's Michelle.
Well, did you see like
what other woman would come out and do some shit like that, honestly? Do you think about it? And protect her face? Oh, yeah, David's digging his grave right there in that fucking hotel. He is. You're right. He's in a lot of trouble, Sharonda. He is. Dude, that'd be dope if you guys went.
It's a white female hand. You know what? That could be Michelle. That could be Ashley, or that could be Jenny.
But her hand was pretty large, and Ashley's not tiny, and neither is Jenny.
Okay.
So yeah, Jenny or Michelle, but I think it was more likely Michelle, because Michelle is going to be the only one to come out and hide behind some shit like this and put her fucking phone up. Yeah, make sure you get that free. Hey, if that's the dude, I might be able to make that case, you guys. If it's going to go to trial, I might be able to make it next year. So if that's the case, we're going. Fuck that, I'll drive. I don't give a shit. No, he ain't leaving the country. Everything fits what happens, right? With this case going bad and the attorneys knowing that, letting David know, don't think maybe why Michelle bailed. The timeline fits what happened. Oh, dude, if I told you like I wasn't going to be able to make it for the trial this year because I'm going home for Christmas, man. I'm not going to let David fuck up my Christmas. He can fucking eat the peanuts out of my shit for all I care. Fuck that. He ain't fucking up my Christmas. I'll go home. I'm glad this shit got kicked back. I'm glad he's got to pay more money. I'm glad it's going to be longer because now we might actually go get to see the fucking case and get some closure to it. Oh, I want to see it live too, Sharonda. Trust me. Oh, I want to see it live too. Yeah, thanks, Uncle Jake. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Is there a way I could contact the magistrate judge and write him a letter?
No. Yeah, actually, no, you're right. No, you write your letter. And you know what you do? You got to send it to the actual court reporter. You don't send it to the judge, okay? Send it to the court reporter. Yeah, this is new on the case, brother. Dude, it got kicked up to a judge magistrate or chief judge, right? Uncle Jake was going over it earlier. Dude, and this chief doesn't fuck around, man. He's going to bend him over, bro, and fucking give him the fucking judge, jury, and the executioner. Okay, here, hang on. His jury's okay. Here's his. Let's see. Yeah, but you don't. From what I understand, you don't want to email the chief. You don't want to email them directly. You want to do it to the court reporter. Let me find it. I got it right here.
All right.
Let me get it for you, brother. I'll find it.
All right, now I'm gonna write
All you do is write your concern. Just give them the facts, dude. Don't give them any bullshit. It's got to be straight to the point, dude. Let's take a peek here. Shit. Yep. This judge's job is to fix discovery cases. Those are the plaintiffs. And Chris Com, look at all these high-end defendant, like look at all these high-end cases, dude. Like look at these cruises. Like some of these are high-end shit, dude. And here's David's right. 28. 27, right here. I love the order. I love his order on how he communicates, dude. That's the best one. He does. This judge real strict, man. He's by the fucking book. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we said. Rut-row, David. All right, be good, real Ken. Yeah, Rut-row. Dude, this judge is straight up too, Chris Com. You don't fuck around, man. This judge ain't no fucking slouch, bro. Like, look at this one. SEC and Brandon Charnas. Dude, look at Securities and Exchange Commission. Like, dude, you want to go to court with those guys? Fuck that, dude.
David is not ready.
Nah, dude, David's not ready for this. This is big, man.
And if David decides to do something extremely stupid, then it's gonna be worse for him.
Yeah. Jacob Stone, how are you in this chat when it's a fucking subscribers chat only?
Maybe he subscribed.
Well, they had to be subscribed for longer than a week. But you know what? I'm going to let him stay on here because he just helps the channel.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. That's right. Jacob Stone. So David, your fucking booty bandit of a fucking apostle, he's going back to court and he's going to have to pay more money. Look right there. He's going to go back to court and he's going to pay double the funds now. He's going to pay double the funds. This judge is going to bend. This judge is going to fucking make David wish he was I don't know, man. David's just going to wish he was never fucking born after this judge, honestly.
The judge is going to rip him apart.
Yeah. We got Jacob Stone. He's a fanboy of David. Yeah, Michelle's leaving. Yeah. Jeremy Stone is actually Jerry DeWitt. Oh man. He's like the black version of Jeremy DeWitt, huh? Jacob Stone is. He's the black Jeremy DeWitt. David's health. David's health is great, by the way. You know, when you come out and say that, you know what that tells us? That his health is shit. Because we know his health is shit. I know. The judge is going to skull fuck David all throughout this trial.
It's going to be a humongous violation right now.
Rip out your eyes and skull fuck you. Yeah, Fatty McFat fucking great health. Thanks. That's a knee slapper. Yeah. Hey, you know what, Jacob Stone? If he's in such great health, why hasn't that fat piece of shit shown himself to his fucking cameras and his followers in the last fucking 3 fucking weeks? Oh, well, that's because Michelle's gone and David has nobody to call his shots for him or wipe his ass.
But hey, he'll excuse it saying he's in shutaway.
Yeah, apparently he's in shutaway. But nah, he's going back to court and he's in a lot of trouble. I love it. I do. I love the fact that David is just in the deepest of the deepest shit.
And he has no way out.
No, there's not shit you can do about it. Maybe drink a liquid death, but that's about it.
Oh,
Maybe
I gotta get my liquid death. I'll be back.
Okay. Yeah, Jacob Stone, why is your leader hiding for months now? Why did Michelle take an ambulance out of the fucking brothel? Did you text it to me, ChrisCom? Let's see here. Did you email it or text it? I saw the Facebook post. I reported it too, bro. I reported that shit. Fuck yeah. Yeah, what's up, curly girl? He's in Shutaway with the Lord. You mean he's in Shitaway? Sitting in his dirty ass maxi pads?
Yeah, liquid death, baby.
Liquid death. Liquid death.
Liquid death. Liquid death.
He's in Shutaway with the Lord. Hey, you know there's nothing biblical about Shutaway, right? Just so you know, Jacob Stone, and for David to say he's been in the longest Shutaway, guess what? I know somebody who's been in fucking longer seclusion than David with the Lord, okay? Yeah. Jacob, your apostle wears maxi pads. Just keep that in mind. Yeah, he's still in Shitaway. It's not Shutaway, it's Shitaway.
I'll love to see David E. Taylor's mugshots at the end of this.
Yeah, I smoke. Yep, I sure do. Yes, I sure do. Yes, I sure do, Jacob, and I listen to a lot of it. And as far as the smoky part goes, I'll fucking stand up to a goddamn choo-choo train any day.
It's better than wearing maxi pads, Jacob Stone.
Yeah, I'd much rather fucking smoke weed and listen to rock all day than sit in a fucking festering ass maxi pad. But anyways, David's going to prison, man. He's gonna go to prison. Look, and here's his. Anybody wants to know? Here's his fucking cult hotel brothel, right? And this is where David's running his prostitution ring out of here. Mama says, music is the devil, Bobby Boucher. Hey, Jacob Stone, here I got one for you.
Say hi to your mom for me. Say hi to your mom for me.
Yeah. I guarantee you David goes to prison. Hey, Jacob Stone, what room are you in at the hotel? What room are you in? I know Tom Hanks was in Shutaway way longer. I know I love when followers come in. I do too.
Say hi to your mom for me.
Jacob Stone.
Say hi to your mom for me.
Yeah, it's like Jacob Stone, you're fucking sitting in a fucking hotel working on the phones while David's got multiple mansions and dead ass broke in the middle of Houston. Nah, I guess Jesus had his fucking all lined up in lawsuits, man. Oh man, Jacob Stone, hop on, man, hop on.
Please do hop on.
Look, you know what? And they're actually trying to look. They're trying to trademark Campus for the Harvest, and what they don't know is anything that's in public view, you can't trademark. Like you can't do a trademark infringement against it if it's in public view. Oh, they'll never get one. God, I know. I wish they would hop on, but the trolls never do. You don't have to show your face. I've challenged everybody to this, and nobody will do it. None of the cult members will. I double dog dare you. He's all, it's a dare. It's a double dare. Puts his fucking tongue on the flagpole. He's all, you won't do it. I know. I 999 dare you. That's going to be the new dare. No, once a follower has gone on and come, he's like, David's worth $40 million. I'm like, no, fuck, he's not. COVID hit and Mr. Core Mr. Comorbidities decided to never step out again, saying he's in shutaway. Yeah, he's in just shit shape. I'll bet that hump on the back of his neck has just gotten fucking massive too.
He becomes that hunchback guy from like 300.
Yeah, that's probably what he looks like now. Don't give Uncle Jake any ideas. Where's the idiot quality dimensions? Hey, we just got warned that we can't go on the property anymore, or else we'll get arrested. Oh, you know, I made the Instacart order. I didn't make an Instacart order. I'm glad you guys accepted the maxi pads, though.
Wonderful.
David's all, hey, I need those. Yeah, he's hiding on a deathbed. That's what David is. Yo, Marlon Jones, what up? Marlon Jones.
Yo, what's good? What's good?
Marlon Jones, how are you today?
Hey, real quick. You're not dropping a brothel in the middle of Houston, man, without some help.
Nah, he's got help. Mahesh Express, bro. Dude, Mahesh Express.
Hey, I'm saying even bigger than that.
No, my point. My point, bro. That's why I think it hasn't been fucking popped yet, dude.
Yeah.
Because there's bigger players at play here, dude.
Most definitely. Most definitely. Most definitely. Yeah, this is crazy.
See where I'm at.
Think about it. Like there could, like, you know, like the mayor of Houston could be involved, maybe
most
the
definitely.
state politicians or even other pastors. Like this is big.
This is big. And the thing, what I know, I won't say how I know. You guys know I'll never give out sources. There's people here. Oh, who's your sources? No, fuck that. You guys know when the time is right, I will say. But there have been high-end vehicles coming in and out of this place.
Yeah.
Not David's vehicles.
But the thing about it is, it's going to take one hand not to get watched properly, and everything really is going to come to a fucking head. Watch.
Yeah, exactly. It's going to take for one lady to get abused or some shit. She'd be like, I'm the fuck out of here, and I'm calling the fucking police.
Yeah, it won't be an ambulance taking her away.
Nah. No. Nope, it won't. It'll be the fucking cop showing up, be like, yeah, we just had a call here about some shit. Open the fucking gate. That's what it will be.
Yeah, like I told you, I'll be in Houston in February, man. I'm definitely going by there.
Yeah, just stay off the actual properties and shit. Like this property, they said don't go on it.
Okay.
They said don't go on it.
Hey, and my brother, he's a fucking animal. He doesn't care. He's so used to go.
Oh, really?
He's an animal. He doesn't care.
Look, Jacob Stone saying, Marlon, we know you live in the back of a hotel. Get the fuck out. Yeah, it looks like he lives in a hotel, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah. No, this is my California king, Pip.
Yeah. He's like, God, I'll be living in fucking.
Hey, I'm at home in my own bed on my own phone.
Yeah, not on David's phone in the fucking infested.
Good night to you.
It's funny, you guys. I give you the chance to come out here and back up David, and you guys never do it.
Never. That's the part that gets me. Like, man, I mean, if everything is through and through, true and true, man, get on. Come on, shit. What's the matter?
I'm spineless, everybody.
I know.
That's Jacob right there.
Don't throw stones and hide your hands.
Yeah. I know. God, this anywhere but not in a motel room. Being a phone slave in the call center.
Be bold, Jacob Stone. Be bold.
And you know, even Cliff come out and said it's a fucking slave labor cult, dude. It is. It's run just like a fucking slave labor operation. All day, all night.
24/7.
You know, and that's where I'm at. How much, dude? And the thing is, all right, now check this out. David E. Taylor is a fraud. You got to think about there's some sick fucks out there in the world that will pay top dollar to do some sick shit with people, dude.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, think about that. Not only will they pay to do some sick shit, but they'll pay for the fucking discretion. Like Ted Cruz was saying. He's like, fuck, they'll pay for the fucking grill. And oh, you want me to get rid of Jacob? Okay, he's being racist. Okay. Bye, Jacob. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck off my channel.
Was he talking about me?
I was just being racist. No,
Hey,
Jacob, I'm gonna kick him. Fuck yeah, I'll kick him. You goddamn right.
Hey, people probably go to this brothel to do stuff that they can't find on porn. Like if you go to a porn site and you type in something in the search menu and you can't find it, you're really sick. You're really sick.
Yeah,
So
that's what I
mean.
mean. That's what I mean, bro. That's what I mean, Marlon. You're tracking, bro.
Yep.
It's the fact. It's an addiction for some of these people, right? Like, dude, there's guys out there that do sex tours around the world, dude. And they'll go to fucking Thailand, do all types of sick fucking shit because you know why? Nothing pleases them anymore. Hey, you know what? I know a guy in fucking Houston. Hey, I'm gonna fucking fly in there for a couple days, and he's got a fucking hotel, and we can go fucking hook up with these church girls for fucking $15K a pop, and we can do whatever we want to them for 24 hours. Exactly, theme rooms, right?
Oh, most definitely, most definitely.
Yeah, exactly. What I found out is some of these rooms aren't furnished. Could turn those into theme rooms, precisely.
And that probably just shows you what was in that damn Amazon truck that pulled up.
Oh no.
I'm saying, you guys, this is set up just like a fucking brothel. It's a brothel. It is. And what surprised me, the top floor, the second and third floor is where all the operations going down, probably. First floor, they don't want anybody. First floor's kept all cool, right? Second and third floor, though.
Yeah.
Well, that place would be a hacker's nightmare. If somebody can get it on their phone records or get in their computer system or something like that.
I don't think they have a computer system there.
Mm.
I don't think they do. I think they're playing it real careful for that reason. They don't want us getting into their shit, bro.
Sooner or later, we'll get into it.
Oh, most definitely. Like I say, it's gonna take that one hand that one fingernail that wasn't washed properly. Oh,
yep. Get it. Yeah. And that's where I'm at with it. It's going to be a woman that's going to come out and bust this whole shit down. It's going to be a woman who's maybe like picked up, abused, pimped out.
Finally, kicked out or has finally had enough and made that high risk escape.
Yeah.
They bite it.
And Michelle leaving, it was time to go. I mean, look, baby, you're not looking the same, you're not doing the same. I mean, I've groomed somebody to take your place. I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah. And imagine that power vacuum when Michelle left. Imagine all those women trying to fight for that power all of a sudden.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Everybody want to ride in the front seat. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You think they do? You think they do everything by hand and not online or by CPU? I think they're doing everything by cell phone now.
Yeah.
And it's going straight to bank apps and shit. They're not doing anything on computers anymore. They got smart. They destroyed already.
But hell, you even got to watch bank app. I mean, if it's an app, shit, it's accessible to anybody.
Oh, dude. Well, that's the thing. If they're using banking apps and David's trying to hide his money, guess what? It's not a good way to hide it because, dude, every time a transaction comes in, guess what? Ching, fucking digital footprint.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, man. I just tapped in to talk to you guys for a minute.
Be good, Marlon. It's good to see you better, man.
Be good.
All right, doggies. Y'all be good.
All right, be good, Marlon. Stay good, bud.
All right,
later, Marlon.
Peace out.
Marlon's good people, man.
Good guys.
There. Yeah, Marlon's good people, dude. I love that guy. One day, when we did the audit, when the cop, it was this part right here. It was this part. It was when the cop came over and asked about who David E. Taylor was. I think Marlon did text me not long after that. He's like, hey, man, she gonna go home and she gonna watch everything about David E. Taylor. Yeah, the baddie cop right here. Yeah, she was fucking. We were saying like she looked tiny, but we were saying like this chick's cardio is probably on fucking point, right?
Yeah.
Girls cardio, dude. This chick could probably run a fucking 440 in like 30 seconds, bro. No, this cop right here.
Okay. I'm gonna look him up. I ain't never heard of him. So.
I'm gonna look him up. I ain't never heard of him. Marlon's like, nah, she gonna go home and she gonna find out everything out about that motherfucker. Pretty sure she did too. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. I said I was gonna wrap it up almost an hour ago, but just want to do a court case update. Like I said, I'm still gonna go back and show away. I'd only do court case and shit like this when it's important. Yeah. But yeah, her PT test is fucking maxed, bro. They probably had to create like new fucking like charts for her, and she'd be like, "Hey, we got to give her a special chart because she's just a fucking beast, right?" But yeah, we'll do another live soon, guys. When we get some more updates and stuff, and I'll probably try and run it just a little bit later. Like I said, I'm doing stuff on my personal life and shit while David's doing his fucking maxi pad fucking deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can run a FaceTime soon, that'd be dope, Chris. Fuck yeah, bro. That'd be dope. But yeah, so it is gonna go. I think that was Discord, bro. That was Discord. We can always do Discord. Discord's fun, bro.
Yeah, Discord's fun.
Yeah, Discord's fun because we can do shit on Discord we can't do here. Yeah, I'm down, dude. Discord's fun. Yeah, we could talk more about David on Discord too, right? We could talk more about David on Discord and about all the other bullshit that we don't talk about here, which is real nice. Yeah. But yeah, I think it was Discord last time. Yeah, we could do Discord. Yeah, let's do Discord tomorrow. That'd be dope. Yep, more updates to come, guys. Like I said, David's fucked. And again, for people that were wondering about Mahesh Express, again, let me just go ahead and get this off real quick, right? Mahesh Express. This guy, Marlon Jones. This guy's involved, remember? This is how Mahesh had help right here. Right here, Marlon Jones. How you said somebody got to be tied in? Well, this is it right here. This guy owns the fucking Lotus Batch Inn, my friend. Right. Would you like some curry and chicken with that Lotus Batch and crabs, my friend? We can take many.
With bedbug spice, my friend.
Bedbugs, we can sprinkle some bedbugs on your Lotus Batch when you get crabs. Right? Right, my friend. So, yeah. Mahesh Express. If you're still watching too, Larissa Bechtel. Yeah, this dumb shit showing up to our audit. Worst thing. This guy blew the pressure lid off of it, actually, right here. He shouldn't even fucking shown his face to us, honestly.
Nope. I just love it when our enemies make mistakes.
Mm-hmm. And that's what Sun Tzu says. It's like, dude, the best enemy or the best mistake your enemy can make is his own. Like one of his fucking things is like, you don't want to. The goal is to get to these people without anybody getting hurt, right? They're operating on social media. We found out they're running prostitution, right? Using the hotel. Mahesh showing up to our audit, right? Well, I know that you guys are here. Well, because fucking David called and said, hey, they're fucking here. Can you get here with the paperwork and kick them off? Because they're fucking up our fucking prostitution ring right now. Again, Mahesh Express, fully involved. Michelle Brennan was the connection point for Mahesh and David.
I think Michelle has given David the wrong connection, which was the good thing for us.
And it makes sense, like Jake was saying, that's Michelle. It makes sense because Mahesh is out there. Michelle, you fucked up, all right? You fucked up, Michelle. You really did. Mahesh, you coming into our audit, dumbest thing you could have done, man. What's up, David E. Taylor is a fraud? They're engaged in prostitution? Yeah, that's for real. Yeah. That's for real. But yeah, Mahesh Express, this guy, dumbest thing he could have done, man. Showing up and showing his face in front of our audit. He should have just fucking stayed there. He should have fucking stayed home. I know Mahesh is like hookers for everyone. Here comes the Mahesh Express. Fuck, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, but Sharonda, she's in a lot of trouble. Mm-hmm. Michelle's in trouble, too. Yep. Yes. David E. Taylor's a fraud. Yes. Michelle made contact with Mahesh first. And then Michelle put Mahesh and David in contact. No, that's facts, dude. I'm not lying. You guys, when I heard it was prostitution, I didn't want to believe it. I didn't. How could a church do this, right? But again, after all the research we've done, guess what? and everything we've put together and the sources that have come forward and said, yeah, it's prostitution. My sources are legit. My sources are legit, you guys. Why I won't share them is because why would you do that? You said you share your sources, they don't give you information anymore, right? My sources give me the information because they know I'll talk about it here, and I've vetted all my sources multiple times. I didn't want to believe it's prostitution, guys. I really didn't. But it is. It's 100% prostitution. After our audit, guess what? The activity at that hotel stopped for a couple weeks. Then I found out it picked back up. What it's happening right now, I don't know. I haven't heard. I don't know right now as far as the prostitution activity. But I know after this audit, guess what? Everything fucking stopped dead in its fucking tracks. And then I got a call one day, said, hey, it picked back up about 45 minutes ago. That's more or less how the call went. Like, hey, the activity picked back up last night. I'm like, well, are you kidding me, right? They're like, no, not kidding.
Well, I guess the best way to make both David and Mahesh miserable is to continuously like sabotage and stop his little operation.
Exactly. Yeah, just stay off the properties, man, because you'll get arrested at this point. I've been told you'll get arrested if you go on their properties. Public easement's okay. Can't do shit about the public easement, right?
Yeah. Maybe put like big signs on the public places saying that this is a prostitution hotel.
No, it wouldn't be illegal. Not if they're flying it from the public easement. No, it's not, because they don't own the fucking sky above the hotel. They own the land, but they don't own the fucking air and sky.
Yeah. Get a little drone and then put a big sign, have it fly over a big sign. Hey, welcome to the prostitution hotel.
Yeah.
I bet Mahesh is like regretting that he's made connections with David.
I'm sure he's regretting his life choices now, because he was I don't watch YouTube. I was like, well, you about to be on it, motherfucker. And he is. And the audit it only has 1,600 views, but hey, that's 1,600 people who have seen Mahesh.
Yeah, give or take 1,600 people.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's quality. Hey, Jacob Stone was just in here fucking running his mouth about you. He's all, hey, where's quality exposure at? Hey, quality. Hey, Jacob Stone was just in here. He's all, we know it was you that called in the fucking DoorDash on us and the fucking maxi pad. But the funny thing is I never called one in. I think we did, bro. Hey, quality. Hey, bro, they think we called in that DoorDash when you delivered them the maxi pads.
Beautiful.
Oh, no, dude. Hey, that's the shit. David delivered maxi pads.
Fellow elites, now that we've made travel so expensive.
Nah, you're good, bro. Nah, shit. Shit, you good, brother. Check, you fucking hit me up anytime like that.
How's it going? I have an Instacart order. Looks like there's two separate orders. There's one for Tony. I got a Checkers burger with a large fry, and there's one here for David. There's like a maxi pads or something, but it says for David.
Yeah, there's a David here. Yeah.
There's a David here?
Yeah.
All right, this is for him. This is it right here? So what's your name, just so I know who I left it with?
Sage, S-A-J.
Who?
S-A-J, Sage.
Have a good night, man. Fucking morons. Fucking idiots. He said, yeah, that's right here. All right, this is for him.
Go on it.
Yeah.
There's a David here?
Yeah.
All right, this is for him.
David here.
He pads or something. But it's
Right there. Ah, he got served. Yeah, this is fucking epic, dude. I know, he even puts a bow on it. I did. He got fucking served up. Dude, this will never get old. No, this will never get old. No. This will never get old, bro. And yeah, no, it will never get old. No. This is, you guys, this is how you psychologically mindfuck a cult leader, right? Hey, what's up, Jesse Jasco? Yeah, bro, you see the maxi pads he got for him? He's all, yo, I'm gonna fucking step it up and fucking take him a pad. I didn't even laugh. He's like, he already knew who it was for, right? That's the thing. It's like,
Checkers, burger with a large fry, and there's one here for David. Oh, there's like a.
dude, look at that bow on there. The bow said
For David. Oh, there's like a.
Oh.
Oh man. I know, David. David likes the heavy flow for heavy days.
Beautiful.
I bet David ate the burger and used the pads to wipe his face.
I can't hardly imagine that David is able to do that.
Quality's a beast, bro. Quality's a beast. He holds the fucking crown right now.
Yeah.
But dude.
Yeah, dude. Like, I don't think any of us could top that.
I know. I would have claimed nothing came and ate the burger and thrown the maxi pads away. I know, nothing came here. Oh man. Yeah, no, they won't be accepting Instacart anymore orders anymore. I know. I don't know if I'd be able to hold my laugh in. I know what's funny. It's like, dude, he didn't know who you were even after the fucking audit, bro. Like they were watching you and he didn't. I'm surprised he didn't recognize you by chance. He's got the gym. Got the David E. Jones. I know he's like almost excited. He's like, oh shit, we got some fucking maxi pads. He's like, shit, we ran out of those 2 weeks ago.
And now he has to use the bed sheets to wipe his butt.
Oh man, yeah, this I know. I need to try Zoom with Crick. I know you should, Chris Com. Yeah. You should put on like a wig or something, bro. Yeah, you'll have to go into disguise or something. Yeah.
Maybe a fake mustache or beard. That could
and some glasses or something, bro. Get like some fucking just Cosmo glasses or something from the store. No, she doesn't. I don't think she does. Yes, there's cronies left at the compound. Jesse Jasco. There's cult cronies there. Yep. Yeah, do an eye patch. Yeah, bro. Do an eye patch and a wig and tell her like you lost your eye in like some kind of fucking fishing accident and you're hoping she could grow it back or something. Some ridiculous fucking story.
That could be a good way. And then you can finally expose yourself to Kat when the time is right, just to make her look bad on Zoom.
I know. I think Michelle and Chris are onto something here. Wear an eye patch and then say you're healed. Yes, do it. I don't know when she's gonna be live again. Yeah, tell him you lost your eye in Vietnam. You lost your eye in Vietnam. It's a miracle.
It's a marvelous miracle.
Marvelous miracle, right? Back in Nam, I lost my eyeball. Piece of shrapnel hit me in my eye. It's been there for 30 fucking years, and I pulled the shrapnel out, and my eye came out with it too. I can imagine the meeting the next day with everybody in the lobby. David, okay, guys, last night I was pranked. We're no longer accepting Instacart or DoorDash. Be like, we got some pranksters out there saying fucking I ordered maxi pads and a burger. Okay. I didn't order any burger. Okay. I ordered the maxi pads. Okay. Those fucking pranksters need to stop sending me burgers. Yes, do it. Make it Jeremy DeWitt. Yes. Yes.
Do it, Chris. Do it.
Yeah, tell him your riser pop, dude, and your chute deflated. And that shit actually happens. Your riser popped because you got to pop your riser. It's what it's called, fucking parachute riser. It's got a fucking you pop, you go boom, and it's got a fucking loop. You go boom, you pop your risers, it deflates your chute. Yeah. Do it. Do it, bro. Do it. Tell him you got hurt in an airborne accident and your fucking riser like popped your eye out or some shit when you were de-rigging or some shit like that. Yeah, we got to find her next Zoom. I'm in, bro. I'm in. I'm in with you full blow. Dude, you tell me when and where, bro. I'll go in with you. Last time DZ showed up. DZ showed up on our Zoom with his shirt. He was sitting there like this. He had an Axe Michelle shirt on. Okay, yeah, start growing a beard. Yeah, start growing a beard. Okay, cool. Yeah, you got to go disguise as possible, dude. And the more face disguise you have, the better. Yeah, tell you got shot in the eye by a sniper.
That is good.
Oh, that's a good one too. Okay, we got to find. Yeah, because you know what? We got to start getting on Catherine Craig because David's almost done, you guys. Got a little bit of time left with David, but it's coming to a close. But Catherine, you're next.
Yeah, we're not gonna be nice to you at all.
No, we're not gonna be nice to you at all, Catherine. You're gonna feel the fucking full force of what we can do. She needs to go, dude.
Yeah. Your Zoom streams are gonna be rated and your comments, and we're also gonna find more stuff about you.
Yeah, all you gotta do is wait for her to look through the Zoom people and just rock back and forth like a crazy person. It worked both times. Soon. Yes, Jesse. Yeah, when you're involved in organized crime and prostitution, yeah, I don't think there's much crime. I don't think there's much you can hide from in that situation. Human trafficking too, especially when you're seeing people jump out of the back of fucking U-Haul trucks at a hotel in Houston. Yeah, it's a cause of concern. Oh, the obscene group? Oh, that group is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to start doing more videos on Catherine. On my other channel, though, I'm going to start building up my Catherine Crick channel. We'll still do work on this channel, too, but I'm going to build on my Catherine Crick channel because I'm starting to get a lot of haters over there, and they're subscribing to the channel. She's had it easy for a while. We've given her a fucking huge break, dude. Yeah, you're right. She's had it easy for a while. Too long, in my opinion. David's like, God, will you go fuck with Captain so I can take a break? Yeah, Captain, don't think we fucking forgot about you. Amen. And just so everybody knows, Daniel Adams is continuing to lose fucking subscribers and views. It's fucking awesome.
It's only a matter of time until his subscribers go down to 0.
Yeah. Yes, potential. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have charges on David when they bust his ass, dude. Honestly. All right. Look, Daniel is a certified loser. He's for real losing his subs and views at just a fucking crazy rate. Oh, Twitter will eat her up, dude. Oh, Dan Adams is a joke too. Fuck yeah. Hey, Jesse, dude, this clown, dude, he's lost like 100 million plus views, dude, within the last few months, dude. He's lost two-thirds of his views on his channel. Dude, he started with like what if they just start being like, dude, you're negative subscribers? But they're taking subs, dude. Yeah, I reported David's. You guys go to David's Facebook page and report his scam. The Convoy Miracle scam is a fucking fraud.
Yeah, I reported it.
Yeah, report it. It's fraud, dude. It's fraud straight up. David knows it. We know it. Yeah. But yeah, Daniel Adams has done it. This was honestly, this was the first time, Jesse Jasko, that I've ever seen YouTube take a stance against it like this, man. I saw the one that he was trying to raise 100. Was it 10K or 100,000? Because I saw the one where he was trying to raise 100,000.
I just reported the whole page.
Yeah, you can. You can report the whole page. I know I'm blocked from his Facebook. I have to use another one because they blocked me. I think some of the cult members are in here too. Hey, cult members.
Hello.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so far YouTube is doing something against his account. Hell yeah. Dude, look at this. They're docking. Dude, now they're taking subscribers and they're still taking views. But dude, he's lost a collective of, dude, at least 120 million views plus now at this point, dude. For real, Jesse. He's lost 100 million plus views. Catherine Crick, she's getting audited too, actually. Catherine Crick's getting big time audited right now. She's buying subs again. She stopped for a while, but she's getting audited. You should see numbers right here every day. But not YouTube's checking her numbers big time because she's done the same shit. She's bought her subs and views. She's getting audited. And check this out. Vlad Softcook, this little piece of shit. Check this guy out, Jesse Jasko. He'll like this little fucking Quasimodo looking son of a bitch. Well, welcome to Vlad Spamula. I'm going to spam the platform with nothing but fake views and subscribers for my channel because you know what? Nobody can really figure out which eye to look in when they look at me, my friend. Right. Look at this. You see these patterns? Look at this.
Every couple of days.
Dude, nobody in the religious world on YouTube is gaining 10,000 subscribers like this. No way. Not like this, bro. Not like this. I mean, even people that are gaining 1,000 subscribers a day on YouTube, it's kind of hard to do, dude. I don't care what fucking niche you're in, dude. 1,000 subscribers a day on YouTube is kind of unheard of. No, 10,000 subs, dude. Like that. You got Saldivar too. This fucking asswipe. He's buying his shit too. They all do. I don't know why they do, man. I don't remember Jesus buying his fucking views and subscribers.
Like he will not, like it's not in the scriptures where he bribes people to follow him. No, he doesn't do that.
Okay. Gotcha, Grace. Yeah, here's Saldivar's. Look at his analytics. His shit's all over the fucking place. Look at this. There's a package of views, subscribers. Video just posted 59 minutes ago. Oh, shit. Okay, hang on. On his Miracles in America page. Ah, see, this is an old picture, though, bro. This is old. This is old, bro. Chris. This is from the previous couple years. No, they're not in St. Louis. Joseph's in fucking Houston still. These are old pictures, bro. These are old pictures. I already looked at them.
Okay. I'm gonna head on out of here. I'm gonna still watch, but I'm gonna
later, bro.
Later.
Yeah, dude, these are old pictures, Chris. Yeah, they ain't doing this year. Fuck no, bro. They don't have a truck, dude. They don't have a truck. Dude, the one truck they have is down in fucking Houston, bro. Broke the fuck down. Joseph? Dude, look, I'll show you. Joseph, he's in Houston, bro. There's Joseph. This is old picture, bro. Old pictures, man. They're doing a very good job at deceiving. Yep. Nope, they are not here. They're down in Houston, bro. Nope, they are not, dude. Nah, bro, I hate to tell you, dude. This is an old picture. Old.
We are here live at the Convoy of Miracles here in St. Louis, Missouri, with Apostle David E. Taylor, and it's been popping all morning.
Nah, this is old. That's old. Nah, they're lying, bro. This is old shit, dude. Dude, they don't have the money. They don't have the money to do this shit, bro. They're fucking broke. They're fucking dirty, bro. You see what I mean? You see how fucking good they lie, dude? Yeah. See how good they lie, bro? You see what they want people to believe? Hey, Asha, I got a new one. Check this one out.
Say hi to your mom for me. Say hi to your mom for me.
I think it was 2021, 2020, pre-pandemic, possibly. Yeah, dude, had me convinced for a minute too earlier when I saw him. I was like, nah, that's old. That's old. Here's Saldivar's bullshit too. Yeah. But I'm gonna go and wrap it up there, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take off for the day, but just court update. Case getting kicked up to chief magistrate, man. So David might be answering to the judge. Oh shit, fucking tired. Got up early yesterday. Yep, y'all be good, man. And Asha Kumar, hey.
Austria. Well then, good day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
And David E. Taylor, hey. Just keep staying hidden, dude. You know why you don't want to come out of that hotel, David. You know what's waiting at the end of that fucking road for you. So, David, yeah. Stay hidden, man. Keep hidden.